Hello friends, today I'll show you a quickest breakfast and instant recipe of Rava Upma. So whenever you feel lazy or in hurry, you can have this upma instantly without any cooking process in few minutes. This recipe is specially for tiffin, which is really very useful for school going or college going students, bachelors or office goers. It's basically an instant Rava Upma mix recipe. It's quickest one which anyone can make instantly like that. Now I'll show you how to make this instant Rava Upma mix. So let's start, and here we have salt, dry mango powder, sugar, cashew nuts, dry ginger powder, green chilies and dry red chilies, Bombay Rava or you can say sooji, Bengal gram, curry leaves, cumin seeds, peanuts, asafoetida, mustard seeds and black gram. So here we have a wok. Now let's turn on the flame. Put oil into this. Heat the oil in a wok on medium-high heat. So rava is nothing but the substance obtained by grinding wheat. Some varieties of rava are finely ground whereas some are coarsely ground. So now oil is ready. So let's add some mustard seeds. Some cumin seeds, now let it crackle. Add Bengal gram, peanuts, black gram, saute it. Till it gets light pink color. Now add cashew nuts, curry leaves, green chilies, dry red chilies, and at last asafoetida. Mix it well. Now we will add our sooji into this. We will saute this mixture till it sooji gets light pink color. So, in every 100 grams of wheat rava, there are approximately 75 grams of carbohydrates, 3 grams of fibers and 10 grams of protein. And if you will add some vegetables to it, then you will get some minerals like calcium, iron, magnesium, phosphorus, potassium, sodium, zinc. And there is only 1 gram of fat. And of course some vitamin B and E in it, which fortify your immune system. And not that. Saute until there is no moisture left. You can taste it by checking curry leaves. It should have turned crispy by now. We got golden color of our mixture. Now we will add dry mango powder, for some sourness, some dry ginger powder, as we are going to store this mixture, we can't use some fresh herbs like ginger or tomatoes or lemon. Now we are going to add some salt to taste. Mix it well. Now let's turn off the flame. Wait for 5 minutes. Add sugar now. Mix it. Now let it cool completely. So upma is good for your heart and kidneys, as well as it can prevent anemia. Upma digests slowly so that you will feel full for quite long. So we have put our instant upma mixture into this jar. You can store this instant upma mix for 2 to 3 weeks outside at the room temperature and around 3 months inside the refrigerator. You can easily store this in airtight container or can store in Ziploc cover and use it when you are in hurry. Now I'll show you how to make our dry instant upma mix eatable just like that. So here I have put half cup of our mixture into this bowl. Now pour boiled water into this. And mix it well. Now close the lid just for 10 minutes. So after 10 minutes, our upma is ready. And yeah, keep in mind that if you will take 1 cup of our instant upma mixture, then add 3 cups of water into this. Our delicious and nutritious upma is ready for the breakfast. You can have it anytime, anywhere. If you like my video, then please like it, share it with your maximum friends and subscribe it and do comments for more suggestions. Thank you.